Hello students, our today's topic is concept of work. How can we define work? Work is said to be done when a point of application of force moves in the direction of force. That is, जब किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पर फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं हम और ऑब्जेक्ट फोर्स की डायरेक्शन में ऑब्जेक्ट में फोर्स की डायरेक्शन में कुछ डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो तो we will say that work is done. Now, work done by a constant force. Suppose there is an object and we apply a force F on this object and the object displaces through a displacement S in the direction of force applied. This is the initial position of the object and this is the final position of object, and displacement is equal to S. Then work is given as W equal to F dot S. That is, the product of force and displacement is called work. Students, here both force and displacement are vector quantities and work is a scalar quantities. Therefore, work is also called as dot product of force and displacement. That is, the dot product of force and displacement is called work. Now we will talk about the work done when force acts as an angle. Work done when force acts at an angle theta. In this case, the angle between force and displacement is theta. Suppose this is an object. This is an object, and now the force is directing in slanting direction F, making an angle theta with the horizontal direction. In this case, we will resolve the force into two rectangular components. These components are horizontal component Fx and vertical component Fy. Horizontal component Fx and vertical component Fy. And the values of these components are given as Fx equal to F cos theta and Fy equal to F sin theta. The theta is the angle which force makes with the horizontal direction. In this condition, the work done is given by, अब देखिए बच्चों यहाँ पर क्या है कि जो ये फोर्स बॉडी पर अप्लाई हो रही है तो इस कंडीशन में ये बॉडी हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में मूव करती है. It means that it moves in the direction of horizontal component of force Fx, and there is no any role of vertical component Fy because the body is not moving in up and down direction. Body is moving only in Fx direction, यानी in the direction of x direction, in the direction of x axis. In this condition, the work done is given as W equal to Fx dot s, horizontal component of force into displacement due to this force. The value of horizontal component is given by equation F cos theta and into s. Then this equation will become, equation for W work done will become W equal to Fs cos theta, where F is the force as displacement and theta is the angle between force and displacement. Now with the help of this equation, we can obtain the value of work done when force acts at an angle, that is, there is an angle between force and displacement. Due to this expression, we can find out that the force done, that the work done may be positive, negative and zero. Let us consider these cases. Number one, positive work. The work will be positive by a force when displacement is in the direction of force. In this case, the angle between force and displacement is equal to 0 degree. Is equal to 0 degree. That is, equation will become W equal to Fs cos 0 and it is equal to Fs, because the value of cos 0 degree is equal to 1. In this case, the work done is positive. Negative work. The work done by a force will be negative if direction of force and displacement is opposite. This happens in this case of a friction force. If we slide this object on this surface, we apply force in this direction, but the force of friction is always in opposite direction to the motion. That is, the direction of force of friction is this side. In this case, the displacement in this side and direction of force of friction is opposite side. The angle between force and displacement is equal to 180 degree and cos 180 degree is equal to minus 1. Then according the equation, W equal to Fs cos 180 degree equal to minus Fs. The work done is negative. This happens in case of friction force. That is, the work done by a friction force is always negative. Now we consider third case. Work done equal to 0. When displacement due to a force when displacement due to a force is 0 or force acts as an angle of 90 degree to the displacement. In both these conditions, the work done is 0. According to the equation, W equal to Fs cos theta. In this case, Fs equal to cos 90 degree equal to 0 because the value of cos 90 is equal to 0. In this condition, the work done is equal to 0. This happens in case of gravitational force. In case of gravitational force or centripetal force. As when a body moves in a circle, a centripetal force keeps the body on this circular path. The direction of this force is always toward the center of the circle. This force is called centripetal force and denoted by Fc. Suppose body is moving on a circular path in the direction of arrow. Then at any point of the circular path, the direction of velocity is tangent to the circle. Since displacement of this body which is moving on a circular path is in the direction of velocity, the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree. In this case, the work done by centripetal force is equal to 0. तो हमने देखा कि वर्क डन में बी पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव एंड 0 and it depends on the angle between force and displacement. Okay, thank you.